Watch this block and steel construction take shape. Some watch as we bring this block and steel construction project to life. In this video, you'll see the early stages of building a solid structure, from reinforced concrete columns to perfectly aligned block walls. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting build. If you enjoy construction projects, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.
Now dear, this is where you reach, so the column them lock up, cast up, window start to frame. So this is side thing lock up, bathroom window start to frame, next room window. So then a play thing. This side of the back room, closet over there, sir. Back window, door, inside need to fill up, so if you buy dumping, save up your money, save up your money. That's why the back. So as I say, that's one column that cast up today, but done the work done now. Look to your back window and look up your passage. Alright. Come around on this side. Alright. So now your bathroom. Room from inside. Bathroom. Room and closet. Overhead. Passageway. Next room, door, window, closet again, and the passageway, exit. So that's it. That's it. Buy up material again and pay bills where you owe.